we're running. Alrighty, after about, how long have I been working on this thing? A week or so anyways. I'll tell you what, I've been tracing wires like you wouldn't believe. Finally, this is working correctly, and this is working correctly. First of all, let's run this one, make sure she's still working. How about that? How about that? And back down we go. Okay, now we're going to lift another part. Uh-oh. She lifting? Oh yeah. I don't know how to make it continue to go. Has a turtle mode or something, I'm not sure, but we'll take her back down. Well, wait a minute. Oh, I don't want to swivel it, so she's in a bad place to swivel, but she's going. Later.